Jenny, babe, I'm here. Oh, your performance was just outstanding. I have no word to describe it. You're excellent. I'm proud of you.
Hi, Mommy.
What happened, honey? Why are you so sad?
I'm okay. I'm just a little bit disappointed about myself.
Why? You did a very good job.
No, I didn't. Did you see that I fell twice?
It was just some minor mistakes. Overall, your dancing were amazing.
No, I don't think so. When I fell, I heard some giggles from the audience. It was not perfect, Mommy. I felt terrible.
Listen to me, babe. Do you trust me, who love you unconditionally? Or do you trust the rude people who want you to lose?
Of course, I trust you, but...
Then I say, you had a wonderful performance. Will you trust me?
I'm not sure about that.
Come on, let's go home first. Then we can have a chat. It's almost raining, babe. You better hurry up.
Okay, let me pack my things.
I'll wait for you in the car. Is it okay?
Okay, Mommy. I'll be there in 5 minutes. Please wait for me.
Jenny, thank God you're here. What took you so long? I've been waiting for 15 minutes already. I'm about to get inside again and look for you.
Sorry, Mommy. My coach just wanted to talk to me, so I couldn't come out earlier.
What did she say?
She said my tennis were good, but my facial expression were not.
What do you mean?
I was extremely nervous. I did not feel normal. When somebody looked at me, I suddenly forgot the next postures, and I almost fell on the ground.
Do you know an English idiom about nervousness?
No, Mom. What is that idiom?
When you're too worried about something, you can say, I've had a butterfly in my stomach.
A butterfly in the stomach? That's so funny.
Yeah. Do you remember the last time we captured a butterfly in a bottle?
Was it the time that we visited Grandpa's house?
That's right. You caught a very beautiful blue butterfly.
Oh, I remember that the butterfly could not stop flying around in the bottle. It seemed like it was in a panic mode. I felt so sorry for it, so I let it go.
Let's imagine your stomach were a bottle. And the butterfly accidentally got into your stomach. And it did not stop flying around. It makes you feel uncomfortable. It's the same feeling when you're nervous.
Oh, I got it. Not just one butterfly, but many of them.
Do you want to hear an embarrassing story of mine?
Yes, I do. Please tell me. I cannot wait.
Will you promise that you will not tell anyone about it?
Yeah, it's our little secret.
Okay. When I was young, I loved reading and learning to spell words. I was one of the best students in the class because I read many books during the summer break. The teachers were satisfied with my achievement, so I was picked to attend the National Spelling Bees competition. Unfortunately, I was too worried that I had pee in my pants in front of all the people. To make everything worse, my dad recorded a video and he still kept it until now.
Really, Mommy? Unbelievable.
Yeah, I just want to tell you that it's okay to be nervous. Sometimes you cannot help it at all. It's a part of growing up. Don't be upset about it, okay?
Yeah, thank you, Mommy. But I have a question.
What's that?
Why did I feel like I almost vomited every time I was in a stressful situation?
Oh, great question. I read about it. Let me explain to you. Well, the sensation of a butterfly circling your stomach occurs when the body produces a chemical,
What is that chemical?
cortisol. Have you heard about it?
Yes, I learned about cortisol in the science class last week. I thought it was a good chemical.
Yeah, but it is just good in a normal situation. It's how our body start normal activity in the morning after waking up.
Yeah, I know. And it also plays a role in helping the body and mind respond well to healthy exercise.
Definitely. However, when your body is under stress, extra cortisol begins to affect your stomach in an uncomfortable way.
Like what, Mommy?
For somebody, it will shut your stomach, producing a funny feeling of butterfly. For some others, it's because of the way the stomach works, which make them feel sick.
I guess I'm the second type. How about you?
So do I. Like mother, like daughter.
Those butterflies in my stomach make me want to swat them away.
All you need to do to get rid of them is just relax.
The point is, I don't know how to relax.
Let me show you how. First, you need to breathe it out. This is the seamless relaxation strategy. You can use this technique to calm your stressed out body and mind anywhere at any time.
Oh, okay, like this?
No, you breathe it so fast. Slow it down. Breathe in for a slow count of 3 and then breathe it out for the same count of 3. That's right. Okay, next you can release your muscle by doing some simple yoga postures. I will teach you some when we are home. They work really well to me. I hope they can help you in the same way.
Oh, okay.
And lastly, you can talk and laugh with your friends. It can help you reduce your stress as well.
Oh, I understand. Thank you, Mommy. I wish you were there with me.
The only person that can help you is you.
I will try my best to be a top person. So, you can be proud of me.
You get me wrong, Jenny. I love you because you are my daughter. I love you no matter who you are.
You are the best mother ever. I'm so lucky to have you in my life. I love you, Mommy.
You're not upset anymore, aren't you?
Yes, I feel awesome now.
Then we can celebrate at your favorite restaurant, McDonald's. How about that?
Oh, I love it. Thank you.